quick. Hi people. So we are doing a video on this property called Time Trail. This is in Halaan Valley, and if you are looking for some sanity, quiet place, and though you like mountains, you like Manali, but still you want some quiet place and just enjoy the quietness of mountain, do some trek, and so then this is the place for you. Let me show you the view. So this is the main road, this is the cafe, and that's how you come up. See, these are the villages from where you can go and do some treks. You can hear the water flowing. There's a stream just close to it, and the river is also flowing, I think 2 kilometers down the mountain. This is the cafe, and here you can just sit and enjoy. And hi Maya. And there are so many local dogs, very friendly, and you can enjoy with them as well. So let me sit here. Sat here in the night when it's all dark. We just switch off. So here it is. Let's meet Vishal. Who is managing the property here,
and also the owner.
Also the owner of this property. Hi, how are you doing, Vishal? I'm doing good, and I'm really enjoying at your property. And let's also meet this.
He is the real owner.
Smokey.
Smokey.
Okay, we'll be meeting Maya. Cool. So why don't you tell me a little bit about Time Trail? How did the idea came in, and why Time Trail?
Right. So Time Trail is basically so my concept behind Time Trail is the peace trail. Basically, this place is for people who are looking peace in the mountains. What generally people do, and I have spent a good amount of time in the mountains, including Himachal, Uttaranchal, Ladakh. I felt like people come here in search of peace and ended up doing parties and wasting their time, and what they are basically seeking for, they don't look for it. So I was looking for a place not very far from the civilization where the people can find peace and having their own time.
Yeah.
So I came to this place in May, and when I came here, I literally could see the Himachali homes, which you generally don't find easily everywhere. And if even if you find those homes must be very very new and all. So Halaan Valley has mostly the old architectured Katkuni homes, the traditional homes.
Wow.
And in fact, if you'll see this home is made of wood and stone only.
Mm-hmm.
And Time Trail basically is a trail which travels you in the time. When I say travels you in the time, basically what I am trying to say that from the older times, from when people used to live without electricity and everything, so and when they used to live in these homes, so my idea was like, let's provide a traditional house and a modern cafe. So and there should be a connectivity between the modernization and tradition.
Wonderful.
Right. So that's how I came up with this idea of Time Trail. So I'll show you later. There is a path goes from my house, from my guest house to my cafe, and that path is a trail basically.
Wow.
So that is how you travel in the time. So that is a trail which travels in the time.
Amazing concept.
So that was my basic idea, and I am still working on it. And
why don't we have a look at
please come. So this is the door. Generally Katkuni homes, very small doors.
Yeah.
So you have to keep all your ego outside of this room,
Ah,
bend down a bit and go inside.
wonderful. Let me
Please
remove
come.
my shoes. Yeah, it's a bit dark. So,
Yeah, it's electricity.
okay. How pretty is that? And very cold right now. Yeah, guys. See the room? Anyone would like to stay here for some time for sure. And see,
So if you
can
see
sit
these
here.
walls, right?
Yeah.
This is wood, then this is stone. This is wood again. This is wood. So everything you see here is made up of wood and stone only. There is least use of the concrete, which probably used for the repairing purposes and all.
And it has all amenities, right? You don't need, the light is already there, but you don't need a fan for your things.
No.
You can
So
literally see the
the
sun.
best part of these houses are cold in the summers and warm in the winters.
Okay.
So you in fact, even in the entire valley, you will hardly see fan in any of the houses. Most of them you don't have it because there is heating right now. So yeah,
Okay. So that was one of the rooms available for your stay. Very beautiful one. And here that you see it's an apple orchard. So you can literally pluck fresh apples and have it here.
and these are the stairs which takes you to the upper
Very
area of the
interesting.
house.
Oh my god. Okay. Need to be careful. Yeah, very interesting. So you have some books over here.
Yeah, so this particular place, be easy.
Yeah.
This particular place is for the library. You can see the books here. Then
Yeah.
there are few planets,
Pictures.
pictures and all. And there will be a mat, and then there will be.
Yes, still in making. It's very amazing place, and you can literally sit here, watch the sunset and the moonrise, finish all your books, and enjoy your view. And that's another room. Oh my god, so cozy out here. And this is what Sigri, what you call Angithi?
This is called Bukhari.
Bukhari. Okay.
So it keeps the entire room warm.
Oh, nice.
And this is the mud room basically. So the mud is over the wood.
Yeah.
Right. And this room also has an attic. So once you'll take these stairs,
Let's go upstairs.
you'll go upstairs. It's a bit dark because of the power cut today,
No problem.
but we have natural light in that. So what I did, I placed some glasses.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's only light, and you can do the stargazing as well
Oh, from here?
from here.
Wow.
This
They
is
have a chulha. Okay, so
yeah, secret chula.
you
Yeah.
can cook here, or maybe just make yourself warm and just sit here and talk.
Cooking is a big problem.
Or maybe you can just, lit some fire and
Yeah,
have some
definitely.
music on and
So you know what? There would be mattresses here, so the people can sit.
okay.
This is basically the trail I was talking about. So if you'll see behind, you can see the house, and once you'll out of the house, you will take this trail, and this trail will take you to the cafe. Now when you'll come here, you will see some good pictures, and these pictures are
Galaxy.
basically clicked by me only.
Wow.
So I'm
You
trying
did
to
that?
make
Where
this.
was it?
This was Pangong Lake in summers.
Wonderful.
Yeah, close to the village Merak. This is from Lahore. I waited approximately 3 hours for this picture because cloud was floating at it. Somehow I knew that
Wow.
there would be a point I can see the mountain peak.
So guys, Vishal himself is a trekker, has completed a lot of treks in this region. So if you are coming here, please stay and use his guidance experience for your treks.
Please contact me. I would love to help you to guide you if you are traveling around here. And now this is the apple orchard. Soon it will be a open garden cafe. by the end of November, these all trees would be removed from here,
Yeah.
and there would be
They're
a
still
garden.
renovating the place.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And see the mountain view. So once this all would be ready,
So
the
you'll have
mountain
an,
view would be
yeah.
the unobstructed mountain view. And we have some good boat games as well. So if you are here, you are not going to boat for
Woo.
sure.
Who wouldn't want to sit here and enjoy these views?
And this is the other section. So I don't know if you can hear the sound of the water.
Yeah.
So you can hear the waterfall most of the times, and you can just sit here in the peace and with the mountains. And this entire valley is so calm, I can tell you, so calm that there are very few vehicles, no noise pollution, no crowd, like very limited crowd, and whoever is there, they are into themselves only, so they are searching for themselves. So that is the best part. Like if you are looking for peace, this is the best place. I can definitely tell you, after having so many risks to the mountains, including I have almost covered the entire Himachal, Uttaranchal, Ladakh, and then I decided to stay here. So
And these are the pictures that you clicked again?
yeah, every one of them.
Wow. That's Time Trail Cafe for you, and it's all designed by Vishal himself. So pretty. Look at this clock here. Beautiful place. And guys, since the place is just open like a few months back, and still they're working on it, so they are offering some special discount for you.
Actually, you had food. How was it?
I had food. I had that egg biryani. I also had the tea and parathas. I was already posted that on my story. It was beyond expectations actually.
I'm so glad to hear that.
Yeah, because when you travel, you don't know,
Yeah,
you don't
yeah.
find familiar taste and all.
Right.
So this was very good.
Also, Halaan is a bit remote, so you know.
Exactly. And
And-
I really love this place. You just sit on this swing and and just enjoy this view. So cool guys, for now we'll say bye to
Hey,
Vishal.
bye-bye.
Cool, so we are saying bye to the property now. I will share this property's details. I will also tag Vishal so you can connect with him directly.
And she'll also tag time.
That's what, I'll tag the property.
Thank you
Cool,
so much
see you.
everyone
Bye.
for watching